Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. Syntax. JavaScript syntax is the set of rules how JavaScript programs are constructed. How to create a variable? We can use var and let keyword to define a variable. How to use variable? Then we can use variable name is equal to value to be assigned to a variable. Or similarly, we can perform arithmetic operation. In this statement, we perform addition operation and assign it to the new variable. JavaScript values. JavaScript syntax defines two types of values: fixed values and variable values. Fixed values are called literals. Variable values are called variables. JavaScript literals, the two most important syntax rules for a fixed values are number are written with or without decimal, something like this. Strings are text written within double or single quotes, something like this. JavaScript variable in a programming language, a variable are used to store data values. JavaScript uses the keyword var, let, or constant to declare a variable. An equal sign is used to assign value to variables. In this example, x is defined as a variable, then x is assigned given the value of 6. JavaScript operators. JavaScript uses arithmetic operators plus, minus, asterisk, or multiply and division sign to compute the values. For example, we are adding 5 plus 6 and multiply with the 10. JavaScript uses an assignment operator to assign the values to variables. JavaScript expressions. An expression is a combination of values, variable or operators, which computes to a value. The computation is called an equation. For example, 5 multiplied by 10 equates to 50. JavaScript is case sensitive. All JavaScript identifiers are case sensitive. The variable last name and last name are two different variables. Note that in this variable n is capital and in the second variable n is small.